The 2024 Ford Maverick is a compact pickup truck. Based on the Escape crossover's mechanicals, it shoulders its way into the Ford pickup truck lineup below the midsize Ranger. While it might not be built on a truck platform like the F-150 and Ranger, it nonetheless offers stout payload and towing capability. A turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder is standard, as is front-wheel drive, but all-wheel drive and a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain are both available. When properly equipped, the Maverick can tow up to 4,000 pounds and can handle as much as 1,500 pounds of payload in its compact bed. Rather than start with the Bronco Sport's turbocharged three-cylinder engine as the standard powertrain, Ford has dropped in a spunky 250 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder and an 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is optional with this powertrain. A hybrid powertrain is optional and consists of a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that's assisted by an electric motor for a combined 191 horsepower. This setup only comes with front-wheel drive and a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT). On the road, the Maverick feels downright peppy with the optional Turbo 4, and at our test track, it reached 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. The hybrid powertrain is less perky and needed 7.7 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour in our testing, but it nonetheless gets the job done.